नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Allah the Almighty has determined some of the facts in this world and these could not be changed. If a person understands these things, he can keep the direction of his life right on its basis. That is why I have started compiling these in the context of Islamic concepts. May Allah grant me and you the ability to benefit from it. So let's begin. One of the concept is that a person can live a successful life in this world only if he has wealth and resources. However, when a person follow the way that Allah has told him, then Allah Ta'ala makes him successful not on the basis of worldly resources but due to the commands of Allah that are obeyed. I have given name to this concept worldly resources. For centuries, it is being observed in humans that in whatever field of life they want to achieve success, it is seen how people have done it before. Mistakes that the ancestors did are avoided and good practices are adopted. Even in today's age of technology, research is regularly done and the facts that come out as a result form the basis to set standards of work in every field of life to achieve success. Setting standards is not considered enough, but systems are made so that work is done according to those standards and energies are put on it to avoid any room for errors and to achieve complete success. Different working styles and strategies are adopted like zero defect, zero tolerance or Six Sigma, etc. etc. Human beings put efforts with due importance and spend their energies on worldly things to meet their needs and make the situations better in this world. In these efforts, lack of sleep, not taking care of eating and drinking times, neglecting wife and children, putting body to unnecessary labor, and neglecting religious duties as a Muslim. All such great sacrifices are made to gain or increase wealth and resources just to enjoy a comfortable, respectful, safe, and peaceful life in this world. Acquisition or increase in wealth and resources is considered success, and non-acquisition or lack in it is termed failure. That is, a good life in this world is associated directly with wealth and resources. Allah Ta'ala loves human beings and declared mankind to be the best creature. So after sending humans to this world, they were not left to find the successful lifestyle at their own, but to guide mankind in every era. The best arrangements were made. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was made the last messenger and Quran was made the last holy book for the last nation in the last era. Allah Ta'ala gave mankind different abilities like to see, hear, speak, think, feel, walk and hold, etc. Likewise, to meet the human body needs, different resources have also been created, but Allah Ta'ala has clarified that these abilities are not given to build the worldly life. Resources cannot meet the needs at their own. Humans, after coming into existence, will remain forever. Humans will complete their time in this world and move to the hereafter. The purpose of human beings in this world is to please Allah and prepare for the hereafter. In the light of these important facts, Allah the Almighty has determined a way of life for mankind. If it is adopted, then the people will have the best life in the world, and after moving to the hereafter, that is in the grave, on the day of judgment, and at the bridge of Sirat, will not only succeed but will also enter into paradise with honor. According to humans' practice, If it is seen how the people in the past lived a good life, then it is found that during the initial period of the last nation, when Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was present, the Muslims of that time adopted the way of life that Allah had determined. So they were successful to the level that they had a good news of Allah's gratification in this world. If we look at the lives of Sahaba, companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, two things stand out in their successful lifestyle. One is the worship of Allah, and the other is the representation of religion. Looking at the state of their faith and worship, morality, social life, and dealings, no one could imagine that they had a plan to live forever in this world. They used to engage in different areas of life in such a way that the area became the source to gratify Allah and get ready for the hereafter. Their aim was not to build worldly life, but to prepare for the hereafter in this world. When the Sahaba, may Allah be pleased with them, practically demonstrated that their life was in the right direction, they adopted the worldly means due to the command of Allah, and they did not consider these resources as the means to meet the needs and make the situations better. Then Allah Ta'ala, as habitude, built their worldly life and gave them comfort, safety, honor, and peace. It had been declared that whoever would follow them could get success in the life. Therefore, the successful life is the one in which the belief is on Allah. The resources are used by following the ways of Prophet and to please Allah, while keeping the eyes not on this world but on the hereafter. Allah has announced for such wise people in the Holy Quran that they would be given a good life in the world and would also enjoy the comforts of paradise. The summary of the concept is that in order to be successful in the world, a person has to get out of the delusion that life is made good by wealth and resources, whereas it becomes good when the people adopt the lifestyle determined by Allah. However, the wealth and resources can become source of good life only when these are used according to the commands of Allah and the ways of Prophet with true faith. This system of success has been set till the doomsday. Jazakallahu khair. In the end, once again it is prayed that Allah Ta'ala allow me and you to understand this concept and make the direction of life according to it. Ameen.